Welcome to my channel, I'm Key. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this flower. Let's start with a magic circle. Wrap the yarn on your finger like that. Insert the hook, pull the yarn over. Chain one. Now we are going to make 6 single crochet in the magic circle. After 6 single crochets, pull the yarn tight, snip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1. For the second round, we are going to make 2 single crochets from the same stitch. 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets. So please follow the pattern and finish the round. So in total we make 12 single crochets for this round. Snip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1. For the third round, we are only crochet on the back loop. 1 single crochet from the first stitch, only crochet on the back loop, and 2 single crochets from the following stitch. Third stitch, make 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet from the fourth stitch. So the pattern for this round will be 1 single crochet from 1 stitch and 2 stitches from the next stitch. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Chain 1. For round 4, we are going to crochet 1 single crochet from the first stitch and 2 single crochets for last stitch and 1 single crochet from the third stitch. That's one set. 1 single crochet from the first stitch and increase single crochet from the second stitch and 1 single crochet from the third stitch. Let's repeat the pattern. 1 single crochet and 2 single crochets from the last stitch and 1 single crochet from the following stitch. Please follow the pattern and finish the round. Snip stitch to join the round. So it's 24 single crochets for this round. Please make sure you get the right numbers. Chain 1, chain 4, make a 1 treble crochet in the same stitch, 1 treble crochet from the following stitch, 1 treble crochet from the third stitch, 1 treble crochet from the fourth stitch, chain 4, and snip stitch to the same stitch to last treble crochet, chain 5, turn over, insert the hook to the treble crochet stitch, make 1 single crochet, pull the yarn longer, make a double crochet. You can use chain 3 to instead of first double crochet. So make another double crochet in the same stitch. Make 1 double crochet from the following stitch, 1 double crochet from the next stitch, and 2 double crochet from the fourth stitch. Chain 1 and cut off the yarn. This is how it looks like in the front. Please repeat the pattern for another 5 times. This is how it looks like after that round finished. Now we are going to change the color for the next round. Insert hook to the middle of 2 petals. pull the yarn over chain 1, chain 5, snip stitch to the first stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch, chain 3. Just repeat this pattern and finish on the stitches. Chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch and chain 3, snip stitch to the last stitch, chain 5, and snip stitch back to the middle of 2 petals. Using the same way to crochet the rest of the petals. Snip stitch to join around. Now we are going to crochet in the front loop of the round 2. Change back to the yellow color. The pattern for this round is crochet 3 double crochets in same stitch. First double crochet, second double crochet, and third double crochet in the same stitch. Follow this pattern, finish the round. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join the round. Now we change back to this color again. Insert hook to any stitch, chain 3, and snip stitch to the next stitch, chain 3, snip stitch to the next stitch. So it's very easy for this round. You just chain 3 and snip stitch to the following stitch, and please follow this pattern and finish the round. Cut off the yarn after you snip stitch to the first stitch and within the ends. This is how to make this beautiful flower. Please like and share this free tutorial. Thank you for watching. See you next time.